Yes guys, this brother Randy here, and we're gonna be looking at Seamoss, how we're gonna make Seamoss gel. And this is Seamoss as it is. What we're gonna do, we're gonna soak it. Some people soak it overnight, some people soak it for a few hours. I have some I've been soaking for a few hours. What you do is that you soak it for several hours so that the sand and the debris that is on it would drop off, and also when you put it to soak, it would actually absorb the water, doubling in size. And this Seamoss is very nutritive, especially folks that are vegan, because it contains 92 minerals that we need on a daily basis. So this is Seamoss when it is soaked. You see it has doubles in its size. See it? Soak it and then the debris will wash up from it. Now some people like to boil it, but in this video it's been soaked and we're just gonna blend it up to make a gel. And that gel, when it is done, now we can store it, put it in a jar, and you can add it to your soups or your smoothies. So today we're just going to make the gel, and then in another video we're going to show you how to add it to a smoothie. So I'm just going to throw out this water and wash it off so I can blend it up. Now you could put it to soak in some purified water or spring water and then throw out the water. So I have thrown out the water that I was soaking in and rinsed it once more time, and now I'm gonna put it into the blender and add a glass of water to begin the process. So you add it to the blender like this. Some water. And you blend. Okay, so now it's done blending, and this is what it looks like. See, the consistency is as a gel. Okay guys, see what it should look like. It's as a gel. So with this gel you can just add some to your smoothies, to your soups, and it's very good. It contains 92 minerals, as I said before, and it's very good for daily intake. It's very good for the thyroid gland and very high in iodine content, and it's very good for persons who are trying to lose weight also. And so this is how Seamoss gel is made. And thank you for watching guys, and see you next time.